In this video, we're going to show you how to fix preparing automatic repair loop on Windows 11. Right, so to do this, you start at repair, and to begin by entering the Windows recovery environment. For that, first turn on your computer, instantly press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds. Repeat the same process 3 times, and on the 4th attempt, allow your PC to boot up normally. This will allow your PC to go to the automatic repair screen, and you can choose advanced options. Once you came across Windows recovery environment, click on Troubleshoot. From the Troubleshoot screen, choose Advanced Options and then click on Startup Settings. Finally, click on the Restart button from the bottom right to boot into safe mode on your computer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.